Hi everyone, my name is Biswas Gopalakul and this is my presentation for MBIS 4002 Database Management Systems. My project is about designing a database system for the Australian manufacturing company also known as AMC. In this presentation, I will explain the database design, relationships, SQL query and what I learned from this project. So moving to the next slide. Okay, so here we have the about AMC. So AMC is a company that operates multiple retail stores across Australia. It sells different types of products such as electronics, clothing, and health items. So as the business grows, it becomes difficult to manage data manually. So the company needs a database system to manage important information like customers, orders, employees, and products. The main goal of this project is to design a relational database that is efficient, organized, and reduces data duplication. So on the right side, I have the project objectives. The objectives are design ERD using cross foot notation, normalize all tables to third normal form, that is 3NF, define entity attributes and constraints, implement database in PostgreSQL, write SQL queries for business reporting. Moving to the next slide. Okay, so this slide shows the entity relationship diagram or ERD of the system. This diagram is created using cross-foot notation. The ERD includes important entities like store, employee, inventory, pay slip, customer, order or item, product, supplier, and so on. These entities represent different parts of business. The relationship between this, so how the data is connected, this diagram helps us to understand the overall structure of the database. So moving to the next slide. So here we have a many to many relationship. That is one order can contain many products and one product can appear in many orders. So as we know, this creates a many to many relationship which cannot be directly implemented in a database. So to solve this, we created a new table called order item, which is also known as the junction table. This table stores order number, product number, and quantity. So this converts the many to many relationship into two one to many relationships. Okay, so moving to the next slide. Here we have the one to many relationship. That is the one customer can place many orders, but here we have the tables. So this is the one to many relationship. Moving to the next slide. Here we have the SQL query. Now I will explain the one of the SQL queries from part D of our project. Uh, this task asks us to list the product number, product title, quantity ordered, unit price, and the total amount for each product in order number 1005. So to solve this, I wrote a select query that pulls data from two tables, that is the order item and product. I used a join to connect them using the product number column, which exists in both tables. The where clause filters the results to only show order number 1005. I also used a calculated column that is quantity multiplied by price and gave it the LIs, that is the uh, that LIs, that is the total amount, using the AS keyword. And on the right side, I have the query output of this query. Okay, moving to the next slide. Okay, so this is my final slide. This is about contribution, challenges, and future work. So in this project, I contributed to the ERD design, SQL queries, and normalizations. created SQL queries, reporting associated with ARA design and review. Similarly, one of the main challenges I have faced was understanding the relationship, especially many-to-many relationships. Writing SQL queries correctly was like sometimes difficult because I have never done that. However, though through the practice and the teamwork, I improved my understanding. Okay, and from this project, I learned how to design a database, apply normalization up to 3NF. In the future, the system can be improved by adding more features, better security, and a user interface. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope this demonstrated a clear understanding of the AMC database project. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.